Hello guys, welcome to another video on Aviation Guruji. I recently found a question asked by Global Classroom on my YouTube comments. He says, Aviation Guruji, there is a big doubt. I don't understand this one here. See the arrival and return timing of the airline. What the hell is wrong? Delhi to London flight Vistar 15 will take off Delhi at 0215 hours and arrive in London at 0655 hours. This flight will take place on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. London to Delhi flight Vistara 16 will depart London at 15:35 and arrive in Delhi at 4:15 hours. The next day, the flight will depart on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, arriving on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays respectively. First flight hours is like bus traveling and the length of return timing is so much more. So I am going to answer this question in this video, and also how is this question has to do with jet lag. That means we are covering two things in this video. So guys, without wasting further more time, let's all prepare ourselves for a smooth takeoff. Yeah. So first we should understand the concept of time zones differ from country to country. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small sphere. Okay, this will represent as Earth for us. Okay, so we all know that one entire rotation of the Earth, one Earth rotation is equal to 24 hours, right? Meaning we have 24 different time zones. We all have studied this in geography, that the Earth is divided into, let me just do it for you guys. The Earth is divided into Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Okay, so we have 180 degrees towards the east and 180 degrees going towards the west, right? Assuming this is at 0 degree. Okay, if we add 180 and 180 together, 180 degrees plus 180 degrees will give you 360 degree. Now what we are going to do is, if we divide this by 24, okay, we are going to divide 360 by 24 will give you 15 degrees. That means कि for every 15 degrees you get a new time zone. Now let's go back to the question what he has asked to us. He says Delhi to London flight Vistara 15 will depart Delhi at 0215 hours and arrive London at 0655 hours. This flight takes place on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to write this as it is behind. Okay, so what do we get? Let's find out. Delhi, we know the IATA code for Delhi is DEL, and IATA code for London Heathrow is LHR, right? So the aircraft takes off from Delhi at 0215 hours, 0215 hours, and arrives London Heathrow at 0655 hours. Okay. So let me tell you that the time shown for Delhi is called as Indian Standard Time, and the time shown under London, that is 0655 hours, is British Summer Time. Okay, we have two different time zones, right? Indian Standard Time is different and British Summer Time is different. And guys, yeah, let me tell you this, that from here onwards I'll be using a 24-hour clock method to call out all the timings. Okay, I will not use any 12-hour clock method. Okay, those who don't know what is 24-hour clock, 24-hour clock is nothing but like after 12 noon I will be continuing as 1300 hours, 1400 hours, okay, up to 0000. Okay, that means I start from 0000 and I'll end back at 23:59. Okay, and second thing, you guys might be thinking, what is it 23:59? 23:59 is basically 23 is always the hour clock, the hours hand, and 59, okay, is always the minutes hand. So in this case 23:59 is nothing but 11:59 p.m. okay, that is how it goes. Always remember, the first two numbers always represents hours and the next two numbers represents minutes. Okay, suppose if I write it as 0918, that means it is 9:18. Okay, or I can just write it as 9:18 a.m. Got that? Yeah, good. So what you're going to do is, first we are going to take out the data, okay, from the Google, and we will be taking out the information at what is the location of Delhi, okay, in the earth. So Delhi is located at 77° east longitude. Okay, and London Heathrow is located at 0° west longitude. Okay, what we are going to do is, we are going to add these two numbers. We are going to simply add these two numbers. You get 77 plus 0° gives you 77. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to divide 77 over 15, which gives you how much? It gives you 77 divided by 15, which gives you 5.1, which is the time difference, okay, and the time zone between the two countries. This is called as the time difference and time zone of the two countries. This is, okay, the time difference and the time zone you have overflown. So the time difference in this case is 5.1. Okay, we can simply round this off to 5 1.5, which is nothing but as 5 hours and 30 minutes. So this is the amount of jet lag you will feel. Makes sense, right? And then, although you have flown towards westbound, we in aviation, whether it is pilots or cabin crew, say this mnemonic for jet lag, that is west is best and east is, let me just take down that, is beast. Okay, that is what it says. Okay, this is the mnemonic. If you fly from, that is what it says, right? Let's see this. If you fly from Delhi at 0 to 15 hours with a total time difference of around 4 hours 30 minutes, okay, you will reach London at 0655 hours. Why did I say like 4 hours 30 minutes and here we have written as 5 hours 30 minutes? Okay, the reason is because of the speed of the aircraft. Okay, the aircraft speed increases, okay, reducing the time travel and reaching your destination a bit earlier. Okay, saving an hour. So how is that calculated? Let's find out. At Delhi, the scheduled time of departure is given as 0 to 15 hours. So what is the current time in London Heathrow? Right? That's what you have to find out now. So we know that Delhi is at east longitude and London Heathrow is at west longitude. Let me help you understand this better by using the world map what I have got over here. So just give me like some time, like quickly draw the time zone. And before drawing the time zone, let me tell you that Delhi is somewhere located over here and London Heathrow is somewhere over here. Okay, I'll just mention it LHR and this is DEL. Okay, so this is DL and that's that is London Heathrow. Okay, so let me just name it as A dash, A2, A3 and Bravo. Okay, so yep, so the time difference from A to A1, okay, it's an approx. Okay, like these I've not drawn these lines like exactly at 15 degrees, but it's a rough sketch. Okay, so from A to A1 is around 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, then from A1 to A2 is 1 hour, A2 to A3 is again 1 hour, and A3 to Bravo is again 1 hour. Okay, so basically I hope like you got some kind of rough idea, okay, like how it is. So what we are going to do is we are going to simply subtract these time zones, okay, and find a total time zone, okay, difference of two cities according to the map. Okay, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1 are 30 minutes. So this will give you how much? Minus 4 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to add up 0 to 15 hours. Okay, we are going to add up 0 to 15 hours with minus 0430 hours. Okay, by 4 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so we know like anything, okay, if you plus minus is always negative, so we are simply going to subtract it. Okay, so what you get it, you get 45, and over here what do you get? You get 21, right? So 21 to 21 45 hours. Okay, so this is the current time at London Heathrow when the actual time at Delhi is 0 to 15 hours. Okay, so this is the time. So saying that this is the current time of London Heathrow. Okay, this is the current time at London Heathrow. Next, now the flight time from Delhi to London Heathrow on Vistara Boeing 787-9, okay, from Delhi to London Heathrow is 9 hours and 10 minutes. So what we are going to do is we are going to simply add this flight time with the current time at London Heathrow. We are going to add these two things together. Okay, so what do you get? 45 hours, and we are going to add around like 9 or 10 minutes ahead of this time. So what do you get? 5, and obviously you have to we cannot like simply do this. So what you are going to do is for those who get who are confused a bit about times, I recommend you guys to draw a clock, okay, a freehand clock. You can always draw a freehand clock. Well, 6, 3, 9, this 11, this is 5, this is 4, this is 10, this is 8, this is 2, and this is 7, and this is 1. You are going to find out this time. Okay, we are going to locate 21:45 hours on this clock. Okay, if this is the center, okay, so 9 and 45. This is 9:45, right? So what you are going to do is you are going to add up 9 or 10 minutes to this time. So what you are going to do is first let's do with the minutes. Okay, so we are going to add the inner side. Okay, the inner side always takes as 5 and 5 each. Okay, so giving this as total of 10 minutes. Okay, and we are going to add 9 hours to this. Okay, so it's 1 hour, 2 hours, after 3 hours, after 4 hours, after 5 hours, after 6 hours, after 7 hours, after 8 hours, and after 9 hours. So after 9 hours the time shows you around at 6. Okay, and what about the time? Okay, what about the minutes hand? So it shows like the initial was at 45. We are going to add 10 more minutes ahead of the 45. You get 55. So 0655 hours is the time when Vistara 15 lands or arrives at London Heathrow when she leaves Delhi at 0215 hours. Does this make sense to all of you? I hope it does make sense to all of you, right? And talking about what is the average speed of the aircraft, okay, it will be somewhere around 730 5 kilometers per hour. Okay, how did I calculate this? It's completely a different story. We are going to see it in future videos, but as of now you need to know this thing. Okay, so with this we have finished. So hello guys, welcome to day number 2. And yes, in our previous video we have seen how to calculate the departure and arrival time from Delhi to London, and now in this video we shall look for London to Delhi with Vistara 16. Okay, it says London to Delhi flight Vistara 16 will depart London at 15:35 hours and arrive in Delhi at 4:15 hours the next day. This flight will depart on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays and arriving on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays respectively. First flight hours is like bus traveling and length of the return timing is so much more. So again what I'm going to do is I'm going to decode this data. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write your Vistara 16. Okay. It takes off London, okay, to Delhi. It takes off at London at 15:35 hours and arrive Delhi at 0415 hours. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I said I'm going to decode it Monday, Wednesday, Friday and arrive on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Okay. Let me tell you once again कि 15:35 hours is British Standard Time and Delhi 4:15 hours is Indian Standard Time. Okay. According to me, I guess he is saying that from Delhi to London is like a bus traveling, okay, and from London to Delhi is so much more than at the beginning phase, right? Now let's do this as well. Okay, this is really easy to solve. So we have to once again bring out a time zone concept what we have studied earlier. Okay, so here what we have studied that one earth rotation is 24 hours, so we have 24 different time zones. We add like 180 degree going towards east and 180 degree going towards west. If you add both of them you get 360 degree. Okay, so that's the easiest part. Okay, now how did we calculate for Delhi to London? The same we are going to do it for London to Delhi route. Okay, so we know that London Heathrow is at 0 degrees west longitude and Delhi is at 0 degrees east longitude. 77 degrees east longitude, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to simply add both of them. Okay, we get 77 and we're going to divide it by 15. Why 15? Because for every 15 degrees we get a new time zone. Okay, so for so if we divide 77 over 15 you get 5.1. okay, if you like round it off to 5.5, that means we have a time frame of 5 or 30 minutes, right? Good. So this is the jet lag what you will feel, okay, again from London to Delhi route. And on the same way, okay, seeing this concept, okay, I'll just ask you a question ki what is the current time at Delhi when it's 15:35 hours at London Heathrow. Okay, I ask this question. Okay, I give you 30 seconds ka time. Okay, use the same concept what we have used to find the time in London when we were in Delhi. Okay, use the same concept and find out the answer. Your time starts now. So guys, your time's up. Now we know that London Heathrow is at west longitude and Delhi is at east longitude, right? So again, there are 4 different time zones between these 2 cities. Okay, how? If you guys remember the world map what we drew, and according to that we are going to do it. Okay, so what we did for Delhi to London was like we subtracted the time zones, right? We subtracted the time difference. This time what you have to do is you're going to add the time difference. Okay, if you add the time difference, you get plus 4 hour 30 minutes, and what you're going to do is you're going to add plus 4 hour 30 minutes to 1535 hours. Okay, that means like 1535 hours. Okay, you're going to add it by 4 hour 30 minutes. You're going to add it. Okay, in previous case we subtracted, this case you're adding. So what do you get? 5 6 65 means 1 going over here. Okay, so 15 plus 4 gives you 19 plus 1 20. So the current time at current time at Delhi is 20:05 hours. That means 8:05 p.m. Okay, 8:05 p.m. Okay, so this is the time at Delhi when the actual time at London is 1535 hours. Okay, so peace. Now what we are going to do is Vistara 787-9. Okay, its flight time from London Heathrow to Delhi is 8 hours 10 minutes. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to add 20:05 hours. Okay, with 8 or 10 minutes. Okay, we are going to see after 8 or 10 minutes what is the time, okay, with respect to 20:05 hours. Okay, we're going to add it again. Okay, so what do you get? 5 1. Okay, and talking about this thing, let's find out this as well. If you are not able to get it, then always you have an option to draw a freehand clock. Okay, always draw a freehand clock. You know it's 8 o'clock, right? 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock now, right? Add 8 hours ahead. 1 hour, after 2 hours, after 3 hours, after 4 hours, after 5 hours, after 6 hours, after 7 hours, after 8 hours. After 8 hours, the time shows you as 4. So it's 4:15 hours. So this is the time when Vistara 787-9 reaches Delhi. When reaches Delhi on the next day, when it takes off, on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay, because the time over here shown is of Monday. This is Monday. The time it takes off from London Heathrow is on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay, and it reaches on the next day. Obviously it has to reach on the next day, right? Because according to Indian Standard Time, okay, we have already passed the next day frame. So we have according to Indian Standard Time, we have already passed 23:59 hours and we have entered into 0000, which comes on the next day, right? That's the next day time. So yep, so with this, now tell me what is the current time? What is the current time at London Heathrow when we reached Delhi at 0415 hours? What is the current time? Okay, use the same concept. Okay, find the time, okay, at Delhi when we reached, okay, find the time at London Heathrow when we reached Delhi at this time. So what is the time? So the time is answer, I'll just let you know, the answer is 23:45 hours. So this is the time at London Heathrow. And yes, so as said earlier, Vistara 16 takes off. So very good. Yep. So as said earlier, Vistara 16 takes off London at 15:35 hours and arrives in Delhi at 4:15 hours the next day. Right? This flight takes off on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, arriving on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, respectively. This has been proved. And talking about the average speed of the aircraft, okay, the average speed of the aircraft is somewhere close to 825 kilometers per hour, somewhere close to that. Okay, so this is the average speed. Okay, taking a flight time of 8 hours 10 minutes. Okay, they have reduced the time on the return journey by 1 hour. So I hope I answered this question asked by one of the YouTube subscriber. And yes, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, share this video with your friends. And yes, you guys can join my Discord server, link is in the description.